Welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. This is the part 2 of cooking using Kokoro Care Package ingredients. TabiEats Summer Package 2023. Did you get TabiEats Care Package already? I believe. So today I am using UMEBOSHI Pickled Plum. Included in our care package, umeboshi is very good for your body and you can eat this as it is or put on your steamed hot rice. I love it. But not only that, umeboshi is a very good seasoning. So I will show you 3 recipes today. First dish is very simple recipe using sardine. You can use other canned fish. I always use canned mackerel, but maybe the sardine is much more popular than mackerel in your country. It's combined with onion, 1 ume plum. First, I'm gonna slice the onion. Onion amount, it's up to you, but this one is a small onion, half of small onion. If you are using the big size, I recommend to use quarter or 1/8. Slice this one. Simply slice. So if you don't like the astringent of onion, please soak in water about 10 to 15 minutes, or leave as it is about 1 hour. The spiciness will be evaporated or go through to the water. But if you don't care or if you like the spiciness, please use as it is. Put this onion at the bottom of this bowl dish, the deep dish. Okay, so here 1 can of sardine. It's oil marinade. You can use your favorite one and put on onion. Okay, is this cooking? Yes, it's cooking. Or maybe it's just preparation. Then umeboshi pickled plum. Take it out from this package. Then remove seed. Okay, and chop. Make it paste. The umeboshi become like paste. This very finely chop, finely. Okay, it's become like paste. Then put on the sardine. That's all. And when you eat this dish, break and combine all ingredients. Next one is also very simple recipe. It's Ume Butter. I will use on top of baked potato. First, I'm gonna bake this potato. While I'm baking the potato, I'm gonna make Ume Butter. Same as previous recipe. Take this ume plum out, remove the seed, and chop. Make paste. This way is very good for condiment or seasoning. This umeboshi paste is very useful. You can use instead of miso. For example, you can put on a stick of cucumber, vegetable sticks. I will combine with this butter. It's 20 grams of butter, about 2 tablespoons. Put this plum in the bowl. Before using this butter, please soften at the room temperature. Combine with butter. It's nicely softened. Looks like mayonnaise. Ume and mayonnaise is also a very good combination. It's another simple way to use this plum. Okay, it's ready. This is Ume Butter. So potato is ready. It's baked like this. I know it's mouth watering. Make a slit at the center. Wow, so soft. Okay. Open. Oh, 美味しそう。This. Okay, here dump ume butter, umeboshi butter inside, and sprinkle bacon and chives. This immediately it becomes a very delicious dish. So the next dish is soup, chicken soup using ume. It's a little bit sour, but it's nicely sour. Its ingredients pretty simple: 1 clove of garlic, 1 stub of ginger, 2 umeboshi pickled plums, 1 tablespoon of white wine, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 pieces of chicken drums. There are 8, but I use 4. First, I'm going to slice this garlic. I love garlic. You can make it mince. It's up to you. But today I slice it. But this one is very big, so I cut it in half. So, like this. And ginger. I will slice it same as garlic. Then set aside. And preparation is that's it. I'm gonna cook this chicken first. Set to a pot and pour little oil and turn on heat. I'm gonna saute this chicken wing, chicken drumstick. I like this golden brown color. This makes it the soup delicious. Cook until the surface becomes lightly brown. Here, pour 500 milliliters of water and garlic and ginger and other condiments. 1 tablespoon of white wine and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And don't forget umeboshi plum. This time I don't chop it. During simmering it becomes very soft. Just put in your soup like this and bring to a boil. Okay. Looks very nice. Very nice. Still, ume plum is like this. So, break this. Take the seeds out and return the flesh into the soup. And blend with soup. Then bring it a boil once. Okay, it is boiling. So, turn on the heat. Take these chicken wings into your bowl and soup too with ume fresh. And here sprinkle some chive or green onion on top. So my umeboshi dishes are ready. First, I'm going to eat this sardine. So before eating, please break this sardine and combine with ume paste and onion, sliced onion. Like this. Break and combine. So I think this is very good for your health. So, sardine has DHA or EPA, and ume plum has citric acid. Onion is good for your bloodstream. It doesn't look so beautiful, but it's tasty. Trust me, and good for your body. いただきます。梅プラムサワーネス combined with sardine fresh flavor. It's really good. And onion is also a very good friend with this sardine. Really good. Trust me. Trust me. It's not salty. It's not super sour. And it's not spicy. It's combined and balanced perfectly. Baked potato with ume butter, plum butter, and big bacon bits and chive. It's beautiful. Combined potato flesh and ume butter with chive and bacon. It must be really good. It has sourness because I use plum, pickled plum, umeboshi. It's really good. It's pleasantly surprising flavor. It matches with butter and potato. Trust me, try it. And chicken soup with umeboshi. So sip this soup first. The umami of chicken and ume plum sourness and saltiness blended really good. This is a summer package, but I can use for nabe in this winter. This is really good. And the garlic and ginger flavor combined with ume plum soup, ume plum and chicken flavor. Perfect. If you haven't bought our summer care package, get one right now. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Enjoy summer flavor. Bye bye.